into that corner. Lovely shot. Instinctive one, that one from Maulana. Doesn't get it over. Their 8th final together. They've got a very good range of finals. The previous 7. The final they lost was at the German Open last year, where they played against former partners Choi Sol-kyu and Kim Won-ho. A lot of finals, but never. The conversion rate is poor in comparison to Kang and Seo. Still 2 game points here for Kang and Seo. And they've converted that, so they take the first game. Slightly better, I think, overall than they had played yesterday. Second game. The Super 750. Was the Japan Open last week, also Super 750. Ronaldo and Maulana are keeping that pressure up. Really nicely done at the service return from Maulana, and too much power from Maulana. That is a great shot, Fernando. Played like this. It's a lot of game points here for the Indonesians. And they wrap it up very comfortably. Good win here in the second game for the Indonesians. At the far end where Kang and Seo are, then if again we'll follow that logic. Let's see if we can build up a lead. Something's not quite right at the moment, Kang and Seo. End where they dominated on earlier. Attempted to dominate, and now they have been dominated. goes for the points. That win, but then it all kind of got a bit difficult for them after that. Then it started looking like a bit of a decline after that. Then they got to the final last week and we thought maybe they'd turn the corner. Try to put a line under the Olympics. Disappointment. But finally, they've gone one better here, which is hugely impressive. That's good, into that corner. Lovely shot. Instinctive one, that one from Maulana. Their 8th final together. They've got a very good range of finals. The previous 7. The final they lost was at the German Open last year, where they played against former partners Choi Sol-kyu and Kim Won-ho. A lot of finals, but never. The conversion rate is poor in comparison to Kang and Seo. Still 2 game points here for Kang and Seo. And they've converted that, so they take the first game. Slightly better, I think, overall than they had played yesterday. Second game. The Super 750. Watched the Japan Open last week, also Super 750. Ronaldo and Maulana are keeping that pressure up. Really nicely done at the service return from Maulana and too much power from Maulana. That is a great shot, Fernando. That's a lot of game points here for the Indonesians. And they wrap it up very comfortably. Good win here in the second game for the Indonesians. At the far end where Kong and Seo are, then if again we'll follow that logic, let's see if we can build up a lead